So how does this symbol represent the Anthropocene? So you'll notice that the symbol has got 3 inner circles, okay? So the upper inner circle represents the rock of Earth, the rock of Earth, what the geologists refer to as the lithosphere. This is the rocky part of Earth, the mantle, and then under the crust, and then under that the mantle, and of course in the middle you've got the molten iron. So the upper circle represents the physical rock part of Earth. The lower circles represent the living planet. So the skin, the living skin on the surface of the planet is about up to 100 kilometres high, depending on how you measure it, from the very bottom of the seabed to the tops of the clouds where bacteria reproduce. You could call that the biosphere or the living planet. That's represented by one of the lower rings. And the other lower ring represents human civilization. Human civilization, our technology, and our waste. Okay, so there's a word for that. They call it the technosphere, which is the sphere of technology that we've created. It's the concrete and the plastics in the ocean and the soot. Now the outer ring represents, if you like, a continuation, a continuum, the ability to continue indefinitely or for a very long period of time. But the outer ring is incomplete. And the reason that the outer ring is incomplete is because the relationship between humans and the living planet is incomplete. Okay? And so that's the bit that's missing, which tells us that we're in the part of the Earth's history where we are driving the processes on the planet, and we're not driving it very well. We're driving it like a crazy person. Okay? So in the book, I talk about Adam Frank, and Adam Frank says that out of the trillions of civilizations, probably most of them collapse and disappear, but he says, using his model, that probably 25% of them survive. And what he does in the book, he describes 5 different classes of planet. So a class 1 planet is a planet with no life. A class 2 planet is a planet with life. A class 3 planet is a planet with intelligent life. A class 4 planet is intelligent life with a civilization. And a class 5 planet is a planet with a civilization that acts in synergy with the natural living world. Okay? And that's our task. That's our mission. We've got to figure out how to turn planet Earth into a class 5 planet. That means we've got to figure out a way to get human civilization to start acting in synergy with the natural living systems of the planet, and in so doing, close the circle, which then allows us to go on and on and on deep into the long future. So that is why I claim this to be a symbol of the Anthropocene Epoch. And I invite you all to wear one. Thank you.